Hi guys, how are you? So today I am going to a place जहाँ मैं पहले कभी नहीं गई हूँ. I'm going to Jahangir Art Gallery and I've been invited there because one of my aunt, उनकी पेंटिंग्स हैं वहाँ पे and I'm very excited to see कि कैसे वो experience होगा अलग ही. So I'm going there right now with my car and I'm very excited to, you know, I've never been in an art gallery. मैं कभी नहीं गई हूँ art gallery and this is the first experience. I'm very excited. Hi guys, so I just came back home from Jahangir Art Gallery and I had a great time. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा वहाँ जाके. It was a very good experience. As I told you guys that मेरा पहला experience था art gallery में. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. I had a great time. I also bought a painting. So it's my first painting that I bought. I'll show it to you. And I also got a gift. Like मुझे एक gift भी किया उन्होंने painting. So I'm just gonna show you right now. So this is the painting that I bought. It's called Reflection and I really like this painting. This is the painting which was gifted by Antradi and I really liked it. So it's epitome of love. This is Meera and Krishna. So I really liked it. It's really beautiful. So now that I've come home and I know that tomorrow is a holiday, so I thought why not, before I go to sleep, I'm gonna do a little hair care routine because it's been so long since I actually took care of my hair because I've been shooting continuously, I've been traveling, I've been very busy and मेरे को लगा कि before going to sleep I'm just going to oil my hair, which is my favorite process to do to take care of my hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys my process. I'm gonna go get changed and fresh. So today I'm gonna be using Wow Skin Science, one of my favorite brands. I've told you guys about this so many times. It's a new oil which I'm very excited to use. This is the oil that I'm gonna be using today. So as you can see, it's written 10 in 1 miracle hair oil and मैं बहुत excited हूँ इसे यूज़ करने के लिए because there are 10 natural ingredients, bioactive ingredients which are very good for your hair. And oiling मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I believe that oiling is the only way which can save your hair from all the damages that it goes through. And मैं जैसे कहा कि मतलब मेरे को hair care करने का बिल्कुल time नहीं मिला इस महीने, but I'm gonna use this oil because there's so many good ingredients in this and it gets rid of dry, thin, dandruff prone hair. So it's very good for my hair and today I'm gonna be using this before I go to sleep. So let's apply it. The 10 in 1 Miracle Hair Oil of Wow Skin Science is a premium hair oil powered with 10 renowned natural bioactive ingredients like cold pressed extra virgin olive, almond, argan, jojoba, grapeseed, safflower oils, bhringraj extract, vitamin E, rosemary, and tea tree essential oils that work together to revive and bring gloss to your tresses. So I'm going to start by applying to my palms. Now mix it, give myself a nice massage. So oiling your hair like regularly, अगर week में आप अगर like 2-3 बार भी अगर आप oil करते हो, so all your split ends, dry hair, you can get rid of that. And if you're using an oil like this, Like if you use this oil, it's gonna benefit you because there's so many good natural ingredients, and इसमें 91.5% natural ingredients है. So it's safe for your hair. It's dermatologically tested, so it's very safe for your hair, and it's for all hair types. That's the best part about Wow, that they have made it for everybody. I like it a lot, and it smells also good. It doesn't smell bad. It smells good. It has this cooling effect on my scalp. Then I add like from my roots to the entire hair length, because this is where all the heat goes. So you can see how much damage it is. It's dry right now because I told you, not taking care of it nicely. So I'm gonna use this oil and it will get better. So I have oiled my hair. I'm gonna leave it overnight, and then I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow because I have holidays, so it's gonna be all chilled. So I just received the shampoo and conditioner from Wow Skin Science. This is the Perfect Color Protection shampoo by Wow Skin Science. The Perfect Color Protection shampoo of Wow Skin Science is a premium grade shampoo which smoothens down the rough cuticles for a silky soft look and helps keep the color brighter and glossier. And this is very good. I've heard about it. Like this is, it has advanced sunflower biolipid hair care, so it's perfect for people who have colored hair, and it seals the color and it slows down the fading, and also the rough cuticles that your hair has, it will reduce it and give you like this silky soft look. And this is the hair loss control therapy conditioner by Wow Skin Science. The Wow Skin Science Hair Loss Control Therapy Conditioner provides advanced and powerful anti-hair loss action that reduces hair fall by naturally blocking the DHT hormone. So, hair loss is all because of this DHT hormone. So, if that gets blocked, then the hair loss lessens, and that's why this conditioner is very, very good for people who are dealing with hair loss. And I'm very excited to use this. It's all natural. It has no parabens, no silicone. Both the products, in fact all Wow products have no paraben, no silicone. It's all safe to use. I'm very, very, very excited and looking forward to using these. If you want to purchase these products, you can find them on Buy Wow, Nykaa, Flipkart and Amazon. And all my fans, you can use my code Anushka Sen and get 30% discount on any of the products. And all these products are free of any parabens, silicone, mineral oil, so very safe to use.